Fucking hell, shit. Sorry, love, weren't doing nothing at all there. Weren't at all. Anyway, this pee stuck in my paw. I need to get it off. Will you help me? It's fucking pissing me off bad. You know what I mean? Anyway, yeah. Have you seen these peas? They're proper gorgeous. Feel fresh. You should try them. Rub them on my balls, yeah. It's boss. So what you gotta do? Oh, smell the armpits. Stink of bowl. Oh, you know what? Rub the peas on your face. Yeah, take them off. No, wait, no, bring them back. Love, bring them back now or I'll stab you. I'll stab the life out of you now. Listen, shut the fucking door. What's this butter? What's going on? Reckon me peas, you little fucking gerbil.